Welcome back, house bowling fans. Today, I'm bowling, but I'm cheating because I'm going to use 2 bowling balls at one time. And if one of these bowling balls doesn't stay on the lane, then it's a 0 for that frame. So I'm gonna see, is it easier to have more bowling balls to throw at one time or harder? Let's get it. The trusty 6-pound ball that all you like to see us throw all the time is gonna be the ball that I always open up with. Again, I gotta keep them both on the lane or it is a 0. And let's see what we can get into. Oh my God, I already threw it in the gutter. Oh, just kidding, it's perfect. Kinda perfect. Oh, I should have hit the head pin. 7's not bad. You would think like, oh, it's probably way easier to throw 2 bowling balls when you're bowling because it's double the opportunity. I don't think that's the case at all. Gotta time it so I don't break the rack. Easy spare here. Oh, it's money. I feel it, it's money. Oh no, it's in the gutter. Bounce it off the gutter, Kevin. And it got stuck. Don't worry, guys. I've worked in a bowling alley before. I got it. Don't worry, this lane's stripped, okay? We're trained professionals here. 7-0. Not a hot start. I need my 6-pound ball to come back. Here we go. Already. We're grabbing a different ball. 6-pound balls. Is there any near here? Oh no. I'll be right back, camera guy. We're back and better than ever. I didn't know I was getting in a workout today, but here we are. That first 6-pound ball sucked anyways. This one's gonna be way better. By the way, I have 2 thumb holes in this, so if I wanna switch it up and get crazy. Frame 2, I'm tired now. Oh my God, I threw it in the gutter again. Stay on the lane. Guys, it's not as easy as it looks, okay? I got 0. I'm gonna pick it up though, it's fine. The front part of the lane hooks a little bit up here. Just gotta dial it in a little bit better. I can't go up to the line and throw this ball because then I have to run back and grab the other ball. We'll go from like here, real slow. Yes, that's money. Oh my God, I'm not fast enough. I struck too. Guys, this is harder than it looks, okay? I try to strategize and then I just didn't even get the second shot off. 0-0, I gotta change the score because that doesn't count. I've got 7 in the second. We're going back to here because I couldn't do that fast enough. Guys, what is happening? Stay on the lane? Oh, it is staying on the lane. The right side's wall. Do you guys see how it peeled off the right side of the gutter? It was going that way. This is surely a makeable spare. I got this. Oh my God. Do I even want to be here? Terribly done, Kevin. And I threw my ball upside down, just so you know. 15 in the third. So far, it is not easier to throw with 2 bowling balls. So, but we're getting better, I think. Okay, all right. It only took 4 frames to dial it in, but we got a strike. We're on the board, we got a mark. Not even just a strike, but we did get a mark. Now there's a ball in the left gutter. Laziness is gonna win on this one because I'm not going down there to get it. We're gonna do exactly what we just did there. Big strike in the 4th there, making a solid comeback. Oh, I like that one. Come on, right side, hook a little bit. That's a double. That is a well-earned double. These racks are fast too. I'm scared I'm gonna drill one. We now have a double on the board after 7-0, 0-0, 8-0, double. Looking for a 3-bagger? Oh, it's a little bit left. Oh God, that's a lot left. I gotta go backwards. Damn. Ah. If I could have just stayed on the lane, it would have picked up the 4-pin. It's 0. It's 0, I said, it's gotta stay on the lane. Gotta reset it. On a double, that's tough. Really had a big opportunity there to pop off. Just gotta hook it a little bit on the fronts. Oh, that's money, right? Oh no, it's not money, it's hooking. Oh, I didn't think the little ball was gonna get one. It said it gave me a spare. I wish that were the case, but we're not cheating that much. We are technically cheating because I'm throwing 2 bowling balls, but we're not cheating that much, you know. Honestly, if we get to triple digits, I'll be pumped about that. I think I gotta figure out, I just gotta hook it a little bit. Oh no, well, that's not good. Oh. I was just clearing that other ball It doesn't even count. I just wanted to get that one out the way because safety reasons. I don't want the mechanic to get mad at me. It's 0, guys, all right? We'll fill it in. Oh no, they're not coming back. It's all right, I have my own bowling ball. I do better with this one from back here anyways. I just drilled my hand into the ball return. It's because of the 6-pound bowling balls, right? The whole time. Spares are spares, baby. Come back, 6-pound balls. That's not one, that is one. Huge spare, we're getting to 100 for sure. Oh, stay on the lane, please. No! You see the last minute backup, although the Millie Rock, you know what I'm saying? 0 on a spare. Kevin, be better. This is hard, okay? You know, every time I bowl in Pro-Ams, I always do this when I leave like a big 4 and I throw 2 balls at once. And the first ball doesn't stay on the lane very often. All right, we're looking for a spare here. Let's throw it a little harder. I don't think I like that already. Wait, no, it's money. Oh, come on. I don't even know how that fell, but it fell. 0 spare, 0 spare, 0 spare. I'm not gaining much, you know, pins on these spares. You're supposed to get pins on the first shot. Bowling, am I right? That's right though, we've got it dialed in. That's money, that's a strike. I just told the camera. I got cocky. I looked at the camera. This is where the 2-ball strategy comes into play because I have a big old split to throw at. I don't know if I go for the right one. Oh, I don't know. I don't know which way that's going. I just drilled the, oh. That's usually what it looks like when I tried in the Pro-Ams. I get 0 somehow, and I kept them both on the lane. So here we are. 100 was the goal, and I have 99 in the 9th. So I just gotta keep them both on the lane one time. I'm gonna strike out. Uh-oh. Oh, I gotta go back up ball. What do you think happened? I struck, that's what happened. I'm striking out. Okay, we're going for 129. You know, if I set up the ball, like to grab it and have my fingers, I think I'd be ready quicker. I think that's where I've gotten 0 a couple times. All right. See, now I can just get my hand in there all nice. I don't know where to throw this. I don't know where to throw that. No way. Does that count as a stuffed 10 pin? It like wasn't, but it felt like it. Well, this one's gonna be kind of tricky too. I gotta keep these both on the lane, but pick this up. So do I just pick it up with the first one and keep the other one on the lane? Bonus coverage, I'm throwing both plastic balls. Oh, I gotta keep it on the lane. Don't hit the rack, please. Yes. I just bowled 119, throwing 2 bowling balls where if one fell in the gutter, it was a 0 for the whole frame. I think 119 is a little lower than my average, but maybe I'll bring this to league. Maybe someone will let me do this in league. They won't, it's illegal, it's cheating. Do not try this at home, okay? I don't want to see any videos where the ball rack gets blown up and then they're like, but Kevin did it and then it's my fault. Just don't, okay? We're trained professionals here, training professionals. That's all I got for you guys. We'll see you next time.